pinapa-excite lang naman kayo.
Yung shot clock violation sound natin. Uy, teka muna,
Naku,
nagka-storya.
naku. Pero kick shot, alam natin, kayang-kaya ni Kamomot yan. We've seen him do it many times before.
This time he plays safe on it. Papatong na lang sa numero 2.
I think that's what he's doing here. Ganda ng tira.
Yan ang mahirap na lusutan. Although there is a one-rail kick from the side rail. Good contact. Does he sell it out? Yan, tawid dagat na yung magiging kasunod na tira dito. And Jocaresa tries to hide behind the 6 and 5.
Paano yung tira dito sa 2?
Yeah, this could take a while. Up. Nice landing. He's gonna take an intentional foul.
Yep.
You do a 2 to the 9 to the 3 Little Indians.
Posible.
2 to the 9 to the 3 Little Indians.
At may tira pa sa 2.
Successful.
The layout suddenly opens up for the green shirts. How will they capitalize on this situation? Hindi kahabaan si Galve.
Yan ang sharking. Ang layo-layo na 9,
diba?
tinamaan daw.
Kayong mga bata kayo, kung mga Alaska kayo, ha? Enjoy lang siya dito.
Tumaas ng konti yung alta pressure niya nun.
Ganda ng ikot dito.
And Negros, according to Doc Nicky Ang, nasa warning na after this 9-ball drops for Kapitan Balbon.